What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be doing a little makeup on myself. We're just going to do a little bit of like acne coverage and scar coverage, everything up under the eye. You know, some mornings we like to enjoy coffee and write and do a little bit of self-reflecting. Other mornings we like to have some coffee and, you know, do our makeup. Today you're going to watch me do my makeup. Tomorrow you'll probably watch me get my fillers done. If you're in the medical field, so ready to document it all. In the meantime, there's also makeup. If you enjoy any of the content on here, drop a comment, hit that like button, hit the notification bell, and yeah, definitely subscribe. My acne scars used to bother me, my current breakouts used to bother me. They don't anymore. I really learned to embrace my skin and who I am, and I am so much more than this skin. We are more than our vessels. We are more than this skin. It's 2022. We don't care. Breakouts, scarring, all out there. Definitely comfortable with it nowadays because I accept myself. I learned to really accept myself. That's one thing that I do love about YouTube, is that it's giving me the opportunity to just be super transparent. The video is going to be a little bit different, not really going to be talking, just going to be doing my makeup. So I figured if I'm going to throw on a little makeup, why not just film ready to glam, ready to vlog. The products I'm going to be using to do my hair, I'm going to start off with my prep, my style, and my finishing product. Finished look. A little coverage for the current breakouts, a little coverage for the acne scarring, a little coverage for under the bags, a little highlight, and a little grooming clay. And I'm ready to go. I'm ready to kick off the day. Let's go. I love what I'm doing. I love being here on YouTube. I've definitely found a home here on YouTube. We are definitely building a community together, inspired by you guys. You guys inspired me so much to get up and get the content. Now it's time to take some pictures, throw some filters on those pictures, and take them to Instagram. Instagram is where my filters are at. you're on YouTube, it's just me, some lights, some concealer and powder. Stand in your main character energy. Wear 10 pounds of makeup if you want to. Wear no makeup if you want to. Do what makes you happy. Do it how you want to do it, when you want to do it, as long as you're not hurting anybody. Always be kind. Be kind in my comments, please. Appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for stopping by. This is the end result. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I look forward to bringing you guys more content, more reviews, more fun. Stay in touch with me. All of my links are listed down below. Thanks for checking out the video.